What are we gonna do today?
We're gonna unbox something very, very, very new. But you have to subscribe first.
Yeah.
If you subscribe, we'll tell what is it.
Go! Subscribe.
Subscribe,
Hit the notification bell.
hit the notification bell, like, share,
And
comment down below.
we are going to unbox this
Giant microphone! Giant microphone!
a condenser mic.
Can I hold it?
Of course, oh. We are going to unbox this condenser mic.
With a cutter.
Yes. Nabili namin to sa Shopee kasi pinaplano namin magkaroon ng mga covers, ng mga songs, ganyan.
I
Okay.
still have my toy.
Mag-unbox natin. Natin tong nabili namin sa Shopee na condenser mic. Ginagamit yun para mas clear yung sound ng voice.
Yeah.
So, malaki-laki
I'm
to.
the funny man. Why does it say ninja?
Ninja Van. This is the courier, anak. Siguro tatay din. Siguro siya.
What? Ninja.
Okay. Ito lang dito sa mga. Anak, ang ganito yung ano. Bubble wrap. Dito na. Sige, ito yung box. Okay.
Yes, I am so excited.
Ilalagay ko sa description box yung link sa Manila Center. Then yung price sa description box ko naman din siya ilalagay. So, what song are we gonna sing?
I don't know to you.
Ha?
I don't know to you.
Ayan.
Do, 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 do.
Ay, hindi ko naman kaya alam yun. Ito yung isang box. Ito siya.
Can you just put the cutter somewhere?
No, just don't touch it, please. Thank you. Come here. Come beside mommy. Itong box na to, excited na kaming gumawa ng kanta. Do you want to sing A Whole New World?
I think so.
Oh.
Oh no.
Ang ganda niya, guys. Ito yung pang filter ng air. Hindi ko to talaga alam.
I think I know it.
What?
It's for your ears and it like this.
No! Hindi ako expert dito. Titignan ko kung para saan to, ha? Pero pag pag may nakikita ako nag-cover, nakaganyan sila, oh. Dito sila kumakanta. Ha? Para saan? And then, yung mic, dito niya ilalagay.
The mic is so gold.
Ha? What? Why are you laughing?
The mic is so gold.
It's black na. Oh, see?
Black.
Right?
Oh.
And then ito, yung cord ng mic. Ano to? Figure out natin yan. May USB.
I think that's a little bit funny.
Ito, hindi ko alam kung paano ito iset up. Tingnan muna natin.
You can just...
Meron siyang earphone.
Earhead!
Headphone pala. Headphone ba tawag dito? Nice. Is it nice?
Yeah. I can't hear anything. Hindi ko...
So, meron tayong earphone, meron condenser mic. Anak, put mo to doon. Diba? Ang gulo ng vlog ngayon. Kasi tama si Ma'am. Anak, put mo to doon. Ito, ring light.
Oh, I get it now.
What?
I know how to do this. We just put it there.
Yeah, let's figure it out later. Yung sound card. Ah, okay. Ito yung
Singing
kasama.
sound card.
Ito yung parang...
Oh, I think I get it.
Ito yung ano, hindi ko alam kung ano card. Yung sound bar.
This
So,
is
kasama talaga siyang ganito kasi hindi ka
Oh,
gana
I
yung
get it
condenser mic
now.
pag wala siyang ganito.
I think I get it now.
It's where will you put it? No.
Oh.
Here. Earphone. Earphone speaker, earphone. This one?
Earphone.
Like that. Okay?
I think we need to build it.
Yeah, we will build it later. You keep that. You keep all the mess there.
Okay.
Kaya lang pala sinama si Ma para maglipit ng kalat. Guys, isa-set up namin ni Mav yung condenser mic tsaka yung iba pa niyang mga kasama and we'll get back to you later.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today we're gonna Mommy's unboxing something. What do you call it?
Condenser mic.
The condenser mic. I'm videoing on my own, and Mommy is.
Technical support. Technical support.
Ninja bot!
Nakakatulong ka.
Ako ang wari editor.
Ayan, nilipat namin dito sa kwarto ni Kate. Kasi hindi kami makagalaw ng maayos dun sa kwarto. Ayan siya, oh. Ayan to pag na-set up. Charge ko lang to. Itong live sound card. Oops. Kasi low bat. Pero tatry ko nang naka-charge, ha? Yung cellphone ka, alayin ko pala. Sunod, ayaw ko siyang kumuha. Na kami mag-set up. Hindi ko ma-set up. Hindi ko alam kung paano. Kailangan ko pala nung adapter. Parang, hindi ko alam tawag doon. Adapter. Ito. Yon. Kailangan ko noon pala. Tinry namin kanina kaso parang hindi naman siya gumagana. Ganun. And magkakaroon na lang tayo ng part 2 nitong condenser mic. Review ng condenser mic kasi kailangan ko palang bumili ng adapter para dun sa iPhone. So, bibili pa ako ng connector or adapter or kung ano man tawag sa kanya. Kailangan kong bumili nun para magamit ko yun sa phone. Are we... So, let's say goodbye to the vlog na.
Goodbye. Goodbye. And you post me on Facebook, oh?
Yes, of course! Of course, I'll post it on Facebook. Okay, go.
Hey, Dad.
Okay.
Remember what I said before?
What's the song na nga?
Take me down. I got lemon from my heart, my eyes glow in the dark, and never ever hurt me easy. I got wither from my soul, many evil goals, try for no reason. Disturbing the villagers, I won't even rest. Shadow and nights, I don't bring blood. Dangerous man who would really die. No, my name is Hero Brian. Yeah, oh, not and off dear me. My axe a weapon so deadly, scorching lights. They can't blind me. My eyes, but he can't take me down. Not and feel me. Face my big axe a weapon so deadly, scorching lights. They can't blind me. My eyes, he can't take me down. Nobody can take me down. Nobody can take me down. Rope for my heart, my juice in the store. I nasty. I wither from my soul, and many evil goals. Try left for no reason. Disturbing the villagers, I won't even rest. Shadow and nights, I don't bring bread. Dangerous man who wouldn't really die. No, my name is Hero Brian. Yeah, ooh, oh, not fear me. Face my big axe, a weapon so deadly, scorching lights. They can't blind me. My eyes, nobody can take me down. Nobody can take me down. Nobody can take me down. Not me. And big axe a weapon so deadly, scorching lights can't blind me. My eyes, nobody can take me down. Not me. Nasty cakes a weapon so deadly, scorching legs. I can't blind me, my eyes. Nobody can take me down. 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 Nobody can take me down.
Yay! Awesome! You're so great! You did great!
Yep.
Oh, so, tell them that we will update them for...
Next video.
Oh yeah, on our next video, we will update them about this condenser mic.
Yeah. We're gonna update the video on next video from this condenser mic.
For this condenser mic.
Yeah,
We promise.
we promise.
We will do more covers.
We'll do more covers.
Promise.
Promise.
Okay. If you like this video and you have something to share or you have something to say, please comment on the comment box down below. And then don't forget to
Like, share, and subscribe
hit the notification bell
so you're always
updated
updated
on our new videos.
on our new videos.
Bye!
Bye.